Start and
Okay. Hello and good evening, everyone. Today I am hosting a meet, and thank you, thank you for providing me the opportunity. Okay, so I'll begin with my first activity. My first activity is the name of my is my screen visible?
no.
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग तो
यार भैया नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है। बेसिक
तो बीटेक करती है ना।
अरे भैया नहीं, शट योर माउथ यार। वो आज ही तो मैंने जूम में आज ही करी ना।
Okay, now you have started sharing.
Okay. Now my screen is visible.
Yeah.
Okay, so the name of my activity is lightning scavenger hunt. You have to bring all the things which are my wait I my brother wait एक minute. I should mute my
Yes. Okay, say.
okay. The name of things you are looking here, you have to bring these all the things with you, and you are having 5 minutes to bring all the things, and after that you have to tell that for that is that from which of the what I want to say, yeah, you have to tell that out of these 6 things from which you are mostly related and how. You have to bring these all things within 5 minutes from your home. The things are a photograph, means any photograph in your home, means any photograph, most recent book you read, something read, your favorite mug, something edible, and any kitchen gadget like lighter and all.
Okay. Should we go now?
Yeah, I think Parki, your mic is unmute and you were saying something.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay,
I'm also going.
your time is start. Yeah, your time. And you have to show me those all the things, okay?
Okay, wait. What was the thing? Wait, huh?
You can take
Something
your
right.
Kartika.
Okay.
My English is so bad, yaar. I want to speak. Parky is eating something. I'll write school.
राइट
Should I stop sharing the screen? Okay, Vartika, you are back. You are back. Okay, you win this game.
Yeah.
You bring all the items in 3 minutes.
I have also brought.
Please share that image again.
Okay, wait.
Share fast. Photograph, red thing, a book, kitchen item, and
Favorite mug and something edible.
something edible.
Yeah.
समथिंग फोटोग्राफ हो गई, बुक हो गई, रेड हो गया, मग और ईटेबल.
Vartika won this part.
ओके. मग.
Okay, now Vartika, show me the items.
Okay, this is a red color chudi. What we call chudi in English? Whatever. This is red color.
First, I should check now what was the things. Now Vartika start showing me the things.
Red color chudi.
Okay, done.
This is kitchen gadget peeler.
Okay.
ओके, आई बॉट.
This is I didn't get that coffee mug. I did get that ये वाला नहाने वाला mug.
Okay.
This is banana.
Okay.
And you know, I haven't read this book, but my sister was reading it, so I bought this book. This was
book
near
is
my
the
bed.
one which we got in Yogda Ashram.
No, this is the diary of a young girl.
Okay, and a photograph.
Oh, it was in class 12.
I wasn't having any photograph.
In
I
class
put
9.
you know, I have stick these photos in my slab book. I was having it nearby, so this is the
Yeah,
photograph.
this is also good. Okay, you bought all the items. Okay, Akanksha. Red or edible?
Juice. Real juice.
This is
Eatable or drinkable.
Yeah.
Edible, yeah.
Mug.
Okay, hey, mug is looking so cute.
Wow.
Your mug is so cute one.
Kitchen
Yeah.
item.
Okay,
What is the kitchen item?
Photograph.
okay.
इसमें I am this one.
Oh, and most recent and something.
This is my mummy. This is my brother. This is my sister.
Okay.
ये मेरे पापा. ये मेरे पापा. Photograph.
But now,
Something red.
yeah, very
Something
good.
red. Bedroom. And I do not read book. I only write. I'm not having books now of engineering. Only PDF. So I have brought this notebook. I do every subject notes in this.
Okay, Parthi, now you.
Okay. So starting with something red.
Okay. Okay, yeah. You.
Rubik's cube.
Yeah.
Something edible.
Tomato. Oh, tomato. Okay.
Tomato. Kitchen item. Lighter.
Lighter, very good.
Mug.
Oh, your mug is so cute, yeah.
Okay. Photograph.
Yeah, very good.
Me and my brother.
Oh, cute.
दिख भी रहा है कुछ?
Yeah.
Okay. And book, I don't have any book right now, so I was teaching my brother. So exam idea mathematics.
Okay, very good. Now tell me from these all items from which you relate the most and why. Except the photograph, huh? You can say that it is me, not the photograph.
Okay. May I begin?
Yeah. Anyone begin?
I am like this Rubik's cube.
Okay.
It is not that easy to solve. Not everybody can solve it out.
Hmm.
I think I am similar to this. Not everyone can solve my problems, but one who are close and one who is used to of it can solve it out, right? So I am as difficult as Rubik's cube, but nothing is so difficult. If we try, we can solve it out even.
Very
That's it.
good. The explanation was very good. Now, Kansha.
What should I say?
I'm choosing this. I'm like this because he also,
So cute.
because he also has two front teeth like this and mine.
Arey, that day I was observing even. That was rabbit teeth.
I also have two legs and he also has
You
two.
also have 2 legs, yeah.
Yeah.
This is good.
What would be the similarity? Yeah. First, Vartika will say, I am not getting any points.
So I have chosen this nahane wala mug, and like this red color, this red color looks so vivacious, and I am also vivacious like this red color. And this mug is in everybody's home. Everybody use this mug every day. People like us use in 7 days, or 5 to 4 days for bathing and to remove to flush out their dirt from their body. So I also try to remove the gandagi from the society. I also try to help in whatever way I can.
Okay.
So I can relate this mug. That's it.
Cool. But you are not the gandagi.
What?
You are not removing what you say gandagi from the society.
I remove gandagi from society.
Yeah, Kansha is your turn.
This mug, it is used in for many purposes. We can keep things in it like this or like this, like pen stand also, and for drinking also, and for that to hold papers.
Hello, Kansha.
Similarly, I can do various works.
Hello.
That's all.
You said that cup is used for drinking. We can drink you.
We can take the वो क्या कहते हैं knowledge
You
from
can
a
drink
Kansha.
this. You can drink this.
Oh, that time that Seema was eating chocolate and you are drinking real juice. It's not fair.
Very good. You have done the
Is this
activity.
over?
Yeah,
Then-
this is over. You all have done.
Neha's,
You all have got the doc-
Neha's turn.
I am missing Prashal.
Yes, I am also.
Kartika, you have stolen my words.
Yes.
I'm also missing.
It's feeling empty.
Yeah.
And she used to
Like
bring
that.
different things like Papa ki shirt and all.
Yeah.
And she speaks very well on that even. Means
Yeah,
she
you
used
are
to bring
right.
things very different, and even though she speaks well.
Yeah. She's
Something
fluent also.
interesting. Something funny and interesting.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So should I move to next activity?
Yeah, start.
Yes.
Okay. This is my screen. Is my screen visible? Second activity is you have to guess the song by these emoji. Means I will page for that. You have to
Okay.
get the song and you have to sing that song. Okay, means anyone of you have to sing any song from that. There are five emojis and you have to guess all the 5 songs, and you all have to sing one song. Means Vartika have to sing one, Parthi one, and Akanksha one. Okay.
We have to relate these 3 emojis.
No. I am giving you another emoji. This is just वो emoji मतलब कि हाँ ऐसी.
Okay.
Okay, should I?
Yeah, start.
Yes.
This is the
Excited.
first. This is the first song.
Yes, excited.
I know this song.
Okay, so which one?
Yeah, I know. Sun Baba Sun.
Very
प्यार
good.
की धुन
Please correct.
तूने मुझे चुन नहीं मैंने तुझे चुन लिया तू भी मुझे चुन
सुन बाबा सुन तेरे मेरे प्यार की धुन.
प्यार की धुन
Akanksha got
Sun.
1 point.
Sun Baba Sun.
Now, shall I move further?
Yeah.
Okay. The another one is
चल मेरे हाथी.
yes, very good. Parki also got 1 point. Vartika is lagging me. Okay, now another one is this.
What is this? दिल टूट गया.
टूटा है दिल बच्चा. What is this? मुर्गी चिकन.
Having only 1 minute.
अगर मुझे छोड़ के तुम जाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे, ऐसा कुछ.
No.
चिड़िया है यार ये. कबूतर जा.
No. We this is not a चिड़िया. मीन चिड़िया है, चिड़िया का कोई दूसरा वर्ड होता है वो.
मुर्गा मुर्गी चिकन.
No.
चूटी.
Love birds.
This is so famous song यार.
दिल तोड़ के नहीं.
No. Only
This is one.
seconds are remaining.
एक
अरे यार.
दिल तोड़ दिया तूने.
No.
कबूतर.
We are not getting. I'm not getting.
Tell the singer or tell some hint because we are not getting.
Tell this चिड़िया. Tell this चिड़िया ने.
चिड़िया's different means चिड़िया का synonym है इसमें, पर्यायवाची.
What? क्या?
चिड़िया का synonym वाला word use.
पंछी उड़ता फिरू मस्त गगन पंछी.
Now should I tell?
फिरो मस्त गगन.
Time's up. I will tell now. Should I?
हाँ चल.
This is एक परिंदा है.
क्या?
टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा
एक परिंदा
फिर जुड़ा नहीं.
ये तो मैं पूरे जन्म में नहीं बता पाती.
मैंने सुना गाने आते हैं. I don't remember the lyrics.
Okay, now
हेलो अनुष्का दे दे यार.
हंस के कैची से ट्रेन काट दी.
अरे मीट खत्म होने वाली है आई थिंक.
हाँ रिजॉइन हम फिर से ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे बट हंसता.
I was what I was saying. These 2 vehicles are what indicating the route, रास्ता. Okay.
हंस के कट जाएगा रास्ता.
You are right, but the song is not that. Akanksha, you are right, but the song is not that. You have to tell the line was right, but
सफर
रस्ते कटे जाए रस्ते.
रस्ते. Yes, yes.
song is this? I don't even know.
RK is
I
having
know. हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते.
having 0 points.
Neha, you should have just simple. You should have put simple song.
No. So how will be fun now? Now the another one is this. This is last one.
Okay. Cut cross cut सूरज तारे. चांद तारे. अरे.
Tara is that night. Okay, day and night.
कटती ना रातें कटती ना दिन.
No. You are thinking correct, but you haven't said the correct line. Means you are thinking
Okay.
the correct.
दिन देखे कटे ना रात.
No.
कटे ना कटे ये रातें.
Making songs by your own.
कटे ना कटे तो it is there. कटे ना कटे.
Kate na kate is but in some different words. मतलब kate na kate is correct but in different words.
कटते नहीं कटती ये रातें. कटते नहीं कटती ये रातें.
No. You are guessing right, but you have to tell correct line.
Don't know.
कटती नहीं ये दिन.
No.
Wait for 1 minute.
We were having only 1 minute and the 1 minute is over. I think yeah.
दिल देखे ना रात कटे. ये है ना.
No.
क्या
Now should I tell?
ये. No, wait for 1 more minute.
दिन कटे ना रातें. यार.
कट जाएंगे कैसे काटेंगे रातें. काटे नहीं
कटती है दिन ये
काटे
रात.
नहीं कटती है रात. मैंने बताया काटे नहीं कटते.
You both got it. But Parki won the game. Parki won the game. She's having 3 points. You are having 1 point.
Wait. But मैंने ये आंसर दिया था.
So you are having only
I have given that answer.
3 points.
Okay.
She won the game.
I thought you are giving point to Parthi.
Now you have
very
to
nice.
sing any one song from these 5 songs.
I will sing काटे नहीं कटते दिन ये रात. Let me sing.
Okay, sing.
काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात कहनी रात लो आज मैं कहती हूँ I love you. That's it.
Okay, now Parthi or
Finally एक आंसर तो बताया.
Or tell what were the options. I forgot all those songs.
okay. Songs were I'll tell from my इसकी तेरे मेरे प्यार की धुन चल मेरे हाथी एंड टूटा चल मेरे हाथी. तभी मैंने 3 वाले चल मेरे हाथी.
These all 3 songs I don't know यार much. कौन
And then हंसते कट जाए रास्ते and ये काटे नहीं कटते करते क्या song you have to sing some different.
और एक और था. कौन सा था वो?
सुन बाबा सुन
प्यार की धुन. बस मुझे इतना याद है.
हंसने वाला कुछ.
I don't know lyrics. May I Google lyrics?
Yeah, you can Google it, but sing. You have to sing.
Only Parthi has to sing, na?
Kancha, you can sing. She is googling the lyrics.
Which song?
Anyone you like out of these 5. Vartika has sung one song, so you should sing some different one.
वो कौन सा था? हाथी के बाद. The song
चल
which was.
टूटा
हाथी.
टूटा एक परिंदा.
Akansha, sing that one.
Okay, may I sing?
Hmm.
Your Akansha is singing. Sun Baba Sun. Acha, you are singing. So, sing then.
No, I am searching the lyrics.
Parki, open your camera.
Arey, I have opened that na. What means I am doing Google. That's why I think camera is off.
Okay.
Okay. सुन बाबा सुन प्यार की धुन हो मैंने तुझे चुन लिया तू भी मुझे चुन चुन चुन
You are not going correct.
सुन साहिबा सुन प्यार की धुन हो मैंने तुझे चुन लिया तू भी मुझे चुन चुन चुन.
It is like that. सुन बाबा सुन.
I am very bad singer.
मैंने तुझे चुन लिया तू भी मुझे चुन 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 चुन.
हाँ, I have not listened that song even.
Oh.
Okay, Akansha, do sing now.
But I don't know this song. I am just singing like this only. टूटा
Okay.
टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा फिर जुड़ ना पाया लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा फिर उड़ ना पाया ओ टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा फिर जुड़ ना पाया लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा फिर जुड़ ना पाया.
Very good.
बस thank you.
Neat round of applause. मजा आ गया यार, ये तो बड़ा अच्छा गाना गाती है.
Yeah, so good. Okay, where is Vartika gone? Okay. Shall we move to next activity? Should we?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
Prashal should have joined the session, yaar.
My
I'm
screen,
missing her very much.
my screen is visible.
Yeah, same. And
Yes.
today's very fun, full of fun.
And so group discussion topics are, these are the topics: love marriage versus arranged marriage. Marriage is missing. What would you say is remixing the original songs of good practice?
First
I'm
one.
not having so much time to
First one.
look after the topics, so I'll just choose these two topics.
First one.
For first one.
Okay, first one now. Okay. Love marriage or arranged
First
marriage?
one. Yes.
Yes. Now start discussing.
What do you guys prefer?
Love.
I prefer love marriage instead of having.
Yeah, I also prefer.
We all prefer love marriage only.
If my mother will listen, comment.
What?
We all prefer love marriage only.
Please call Prashal
But
somebody.
at least we should have some love even now. We are not having
Yes.
that.
Yeah, we are not having anyone.
We have.
Nehu was also in Bajrang Dal.
I don't want to be in Bajrang Dal, but I don't know why. Unfortunately, I am in that.
Same. I also don't want to be in that, but unfortunately. What should I say? Better luck next birth.
Yes.
Yeah, this time I don't think that we are getting our love.
Okay, I am choosing arranged marriage.
I'm also arranged marriage.
Okay, we are choosing.
Okay, I will choose. Okay, then I'm getting one only.
You will speak on?
Love marriage.
Love marriage.
Okay, you two love and we both arrange.
I want to start the group discussion by saying the point that I will prefer love marriage, because in a love marriage the bond is more stronger. People get to know each other in a very deep way, and the compatibility as compared to arranged marriage is very high. So that's why I choose love marriage.
Yeah, and in love
Uh,
marriage, you
Yes,
can
Pratika, I agree your point, but what I believe that in love marriage, what happens that love after marriage goes on decreasing as comparison to arranged marriage. Because in arranged marriage, what it happens it is the beginning of love, and the graph goes off and off, means it goes on and on. But what I have observed in love marriage, that graph goes down after some time, means after a proper period of time it goes down, because they are all fun and all the love in starting, and the desire was up till marriage only, and after that the life gets ruined, and it's get limited to having babies and doing household works, and plus the office work rather than anything else.
these things are in arranged marriage also. I think if you are doing an arranged marriage, after marriage you have to have babies and all household work, so you will just bind yourself with through those works. But before, if you are having some partner before marriage also, so you can have fun and all. But after marriage you all are bind up, we all bind through the all the works, houseworks and every works. And I think in love marriage we can know each other properly. Since how many years we are dating, we can just know them properly. But in arranged marriage you cannot actually know any person so deeply, so it may become some problem after marriage.
I
I agree
totally
your point. I agree your point, but it is not that in love marriage there will be no problems. In arranged marriage and love marriage, both have problems.
Both have problems, so it is better to have problems after having so much fun. And if you are having fun and you are just getting into the problems, so this will just ruin your whole life. But before, if you are you just know. But and in love marriage, I think the love remains after marriage also. I will not give example because Vartika said stop giving examples.
I didn't say that.
But like,
I said
if we don't have any love, then our parents will choose best for us. So
But
arranged marriage are
in arranged
you know, even in friendship we get in conflicts in friendship also. Like it took us many years, 1 to 2 years, to get into a proper friendship.
yeah.
And we are talking about marriage. Like marriage is a life term. Like in the whole life we have to be with that partner. So I think that first we can get to know him for 3 to 4 years or 2 to 3 years, then we can perform the marriage. I
Yes,
don't
I
go for
totally
arranged
agree
marriage
with
for this
Vartika.
reason.
I agree your point, Vartika, but it's not necessary to do love marriage. That can be done in arranged marriage itself. You can arrange, means we can have our mate or a groom, and we can know him for at least for 2 years, and then we can have marriage. It's not like love marriage, means it's not compulsory to have a love marriage for that. Means our parents will choose best for us, as as Akansha said. So in the case for knowing each other, we can do marriage after 2 years. It's not compulsory to do means it's not compulsory to do marriage so early. If you really want to know each other, so we can wait even.
In
But
the
I don't think that our parents will be able to find such a partner for us.
but in most of
We
See,
only need to explore.
Asha, many a times it happens that many of the love marriages get ruins after some time, right? You might have seen even that after 2 years or 3 years,
these
or
are in arranged
maybe many
marriage
a times.
also. These things are in arranged marriage also.
You are right. But what happens if we have done love marriage, and then what happens, like something happens, and some tragedy happens, then many a times it happens that parents do not support this, because we have done marriage of our own choice. And usually love marriages are not supported by every family. So in that case, there is no family support even. So in arranged marriage, it comes up to like if something happens wrong, then we have our parents to support. But many a times it happens in love marriage that
But
parents don't
if we,
support their kids.
but if we are having some problems after arranged marriage, we will blame our parents that you chose that partner and we are just getting into that. So we'll just go. We will just be upset with this from our parents. And in love marriage, I think if something will happen, we all will be responsible. Itself means we will just responsible for our mistakes and all. I think in most of the cases in arranged marriage, the no one waits for so long. I think the marriage happens in 6 or 7 months. I don't think that you get so much chance to know each other, because in arranged marriage, I don't think that your parents will just find a boy in these 24 year, means if when you are 24 years old or 25 years old, so that you can get time. In arranged marriage, the parents will find a partner after when you are just ready for marriage. So you cannot take so much long to just know each other. But so, and in arranged marriage also, you cannot just describe each other at way. But if you are in love with someone or you are having any boyfriend, so he will tell each and everything about his past, and also you will just get deeply into it.
Spot on,
Yeah,
Palani. And you know, the majority of the people who end up in, and it is less
yeah.
as compared to love marriage. You know,
No,
why people are taking divorce? Because they are
No,
not getting to know each other.
that is
They
not
find
true.
that it
It
is
is
suitable for me
it is
after
because the
5 years.
arranged marriage portion is more than the love marriage. Then divorce portion will also be greater for the arranged marriage. It's because of the ratio
You
difference.
are right, but I'm talking about take the percentage. It will be
If
more
yeah,
in
take
arranged marriage
percentage in
only.
arranged marriage, most of the cases that if divorce is happening after arranged marriage, because you are not up to that person, means you don't know the person exactly what he do. And in most of the cases, it's like that girl only know the job or anything, she doesn't know his background and everything. But if you are in love with someone, having a boyfriend, you will know about each other properly, you will know about his uncle, aunt, and everything. And so it will be just beneficial.
yeah, I agree your point, Neha. Like you said that we don't know means there is no understanding among the arranged marriage couples. Like what happens, you might have observed and you might have seen even that love marriages means love means in people get into relationship in school time, college time, right? Usually it happens, and that time the peoples are not settled because in school time they're doing studies, in college they're doing studies, and then what happened, couples usually take decisions in so hurry just because of the love, and after getting married they are not stable, and this can become a cause of dispute. Even it's not every time that one who gets success after doing studies then only they take a step of getting married. People used to do marriage before getting success or before getting settled in
I
their
think
career.
these things are these are those couples for that they are not looking for that future. Means if I'll be in love with someone, I will just look for my future also. Not that I am if I will choose some partner for me, I will look for that thing also. Not that is if
Yeah, yeah, you are right. I agree your point. But what happens now? You might have listened one very popular phrase that love is blind. Love doesn't look that your partner is well qualified or he is having a good job or not. Is he having a home or not? And
I
when
think
a
these things,
person is in love, many a times it happens.
I think
Many
these
a times it happens.
yeah, I agree
Yeah,
with
it's not
I
right,
agree.
Parthi.
Wait. I agree with you, Parki. But what I am saying that these the blindness things happen during school times, or when we are not having such we are not thinking about our future. These things happen that time, means like the in which age we are now, we will look after for our future also. We will just look after for our partner also. We will just think about that. But those blindness thing only happens during school time, or when the boys and girls are having so craze for making girlfriend and boyfriend. That time these things happen. No, and that is not actual love. The blindness is not the actual love. That is just attraction or something else. Yeah, Vartika, what you saying? Speak now.
Yeah, I was to Parki that Parki was saying that if her parents agrees for an arranged marriage, he will do marriage after 1 to 2 years. Okay, let me give you an example. Like you don't get what we said, you don't get settled with that boy, so you will find another boy. Okay, your parents will find another boy. मान लो तुम उसके साथ भी fit नहीं हो, then your parents will go for more. Like how much your parents will search for that? Won't they get depressed? Not depressed. Won't it be a burden for them to find
Yeah,
a suitable boy for?
Exactly. And if you will just date him for 2 years,
You will end up.
and then you think that no, I should not marry him. So what will happen? Your 2 years will also waste. 2 years will also waste, and your parents hard work for finding that boy will also get waste. And then after 2 years, then you will find for another boy, and you will also check him for 2 years. And your age will also get start. And this is the point that our parents used to find a boy when we are just in the stage of marriage. Means if when I will get 28 years old, my mother will say, now I will search a boy for you. So how many years I can just wait to just see him and actually that he is up to me or not?
Yeah, Neha, I agree your point. Your point is really very nice that you have put. But what I think, like parents always chooses the best for us. Won't be like that if my parents is choosing a partner for me, that will not result into positive. It happens many a times that some decisions of parents goes means that does not have positive results. But for that we can't means it's not like question about arranged marriages, because since earlier time means from ancient time arranged marriages are being there, and even my father, my mother means all of our parents have done arranged marriage, and I don't think that it causes any kind of problem after some years.
We are
Even
not just
it is more.
no, we are not just questioning on arranged marriage. We are just telling our fact that what will we prefer.
Yeah, exactly, I understand your point.
And yeah, I also okay, Vartika.
I totally agree with you that parents will choose the best for us. But how much they understand us, you know, there is generation gap.
Exactly the point. They don't know what we want. Only we know now.
And be able to and the future is yours. You need to spend your life with that boy or girl. So how can you just rely on your parents? You need to understand that. You need to find the boy for yourself, not depend on your parents.
But many times it happens that parents are not agree for love marriages, right? Many of our means
Many
our
of
parents
times
are
society do not
like
accept.
they don't allow us to interact with boys and all, and means then having a love marriage can create a means gap between the relationship of our daughter and parents. So I don't think ruining this relationship
I
for
think-
other relationship will be a benefit.
I think nowadays parents are getting these points. I mean, parents are also understanding these facts that we can only choose best for us. Uh, and yeah, because our parents don't know about means they know about us. We are their children, so they know about us, but they don't exactly know now that what we want, what kind of boy can how what kind of boy can handle us. And the things matters. And our parents, I don't think that. And if in arranged marriage, they'll also they are not going to search boy. They'll also ask some relative that are you in known with some person. I want a boy for my girl to marry. And then they will say that yeah, he is good, and thus our parents will get agree. These things also happen. So
It's a nice thing, but what if we have arranged and love marriage both? Like first of all, parents can arrange a guy for us, perfect match, and then we can have love with him, means understanding levels and all.
I think
In that case,
I don't agree with you, Parki.
this can be
Why
reversed.
only parents need to search a boy for us? Why can't we find the boy ourselves?
Yeah.
Why do we need to involve parents that
I
we
think-
can find a guy for ourselves
And
and then
Vartika,
ask
please
for the parents'
find a-
suggestion?
I think your point.
Vartika, why didn't you find a boy then?
I am searching, but I'm
I'm not getting anybody.
She's not getting, and we all are not getting. Okay, what I want to say that your point is exactly correct, that the both arranged marriage and love marriage can happen together also. The my point is that we, if we are in love with some person, we can just introduce with our family at first only. Then they will agree. This can also work now. That if our parents, and I think we'll.
You are right, but many, yeah, I agree your point. Means introducing our boyfriend or a fiance to parents, it can be a means it can be a way. But many a times you might have seen some disputes occur among families. The girl's family tries to kill that boy and all. So I just want
Yes.
to be safe from
And
that side.
society also don't accept if they are of other religion
I
or
think
other
nowadays
caste.
these things are acceptable.
Should depend on the
Not
individual. The
exactly,
girl, he should
My mother has said to me that you go and search a boy with your own, but don't regret afterwards that I have searched this or this. You can do whatever you want.
really
Yeah.
Even I was saying that
But
it
my
depends
mother
on the
said that
girl
you should just
or
think
the boy.
about your
Let
image
me see
also.
how I
I am understanding her point also, and but she has just given me also that I can search.
forgot what I was saying. Yeah, I was saying that it depends on the individual. Like he needs to be enough mature to select the boy. If he knows that her or his family is having a background that do caste discrimination and all, then he shouldn't go for that boy.
That's exactly in my family also. This is thing that go for that, go for that.
But
We
love
need
is
the
blind.
boy for
But love
ourselves,
is
that
blind.
And yeah, I think
that will not hate
all the
the
children
family
about
or
them, they
the
family,
boy.
that which kind of boy will they accept. Every children know, every girl and every boy know about their family, that what kind of boy and girl are acceptable in our family. So we will go for that. Will not go for any someone else that our family will just reject it, that get lost from here.
Yeah, and I think love marriage is quite good, but today's teenagers are just misusing it. They get into
Yeah.
love for just some kind of benefits, and they used to leave the girl, or the girl used to leave the boy. They
And
are just
yeah,
using for their self pleasure.
and I think these
many
things.
times it happen. You might have listened the things of that live-in relationship that is also occurring. People used to promise girls about to means to have marriage, but still they say that okay, we should have it, get into the relationship with the status of live-in, and then they used to leave that girl or a boy. So we
I think
Sometimes they
choosing boy
create
or
a
girl,
strong
boy
bond
or
between the
a
girl
girl
and the boy.
difficult
I
in
am not
nowadays.
just against the
They
live-in
cannot.
relationship. I support live-in relationship. Like it is it helps to check the compatibility of the boy and the girl.
And I think nowadays
Hmm.
choosing our partner is so difficult for us only. So how can we accept that our parents can choose the right one for us? These things also happen. If you are having an arrangement, how can you say that this boy was in relationship, he has never
I
cheated
can
on
choose
girl or
my
anything?
partner, but problem is actually lying here that my parents will not allow me right now. They'll ask to get settled down first. Then if I'll introduce, they
Yeah,
will get
that
ready.
things are with my mother also. My mother has also said that
I don't want to choose them
after
right now.
my mother has also said that after graduation you are in job, and in job you find a guy which you think that he is good one, so you can just go for it. Not right now in these college days. I think the love is
A game for teenagers or adult.
yeah, this is
Yes, yes,
craze
you're
of,
right.
I
Like,
think in college days or
yeah,
in school days, these are just craze that we should have a girlfriend. I think in our college also boys just want that, no, we want a girlfriend. They don't respect the emotions, feelings. In college life these things happen, but I think after when we get mature after 23 years old or 21 years old, people get mature and they find the perfect guy for him or her. And there are some memes also on it that till 21 age we just don't respect anyone or anyone's feelings and all. after
Yeah, I agree your point. Like you said that many of them used to misuse this thing. But like you said that means after getting settled out, then we can find for our love. So then also we will find for our love now. So why not the one guy which is being arranged by our parents to get into love with him? Means why not love then arrange? Means arrange then love.
I totally
There
agree.
occurs any problem with the guy that our parents have chosen, who will we blame? We'll blame our family only.
Yeah, and I totally agree with your point that our parents will find the best for us, and we can have love with him also. But I think, look, if I'll complete my BTech at my 21 years, my 21 when I will be on 21 years old, I will complete my BTech. Okay, after that, I will go somewhere for my job, and for 4 to 5 years, I will just work in my office and all. If any guy, if I love anyone, I will not just I will just think that no, my mother will arrange a good one for me, and at the age of 28 my mother will just arrange a good one for me, and in 1 year I will just check his compatibility, and I will no, he's not compatible to my he's not my kind of person, and I will not marry him. After that I will get of 30 years old and I will not find a guy, and I will remain unmarried for all my life like Popatlan.
Don't worry, we'll arrange someone for you. Means any one of us will get married, and we'll ask our brother-in-law to get married with you. Don't worry about that.
Thank you so
We
much.
will
I really want that. I think I will not get my love in my life.
we'll not let you die unmarried. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you
If you
so
are
much.
having such kind of friends, don't worry about that.
Okay, thank you so much. I just want to listen
We'll
this.
arrange one for
Now,
you.
now I will get married. Okay, yeah, that's good.
You will get married. Don't worry. Akansha, I want to know your views. What do you think about that? Like everybody has given their points, but you have not given points. Like I personally believe in love marriage rather than having
Yes, I
marriage.
also. That's why I'm not getting points.
But still,
you know, I
There is a point that in arranged marriage we will have like less expectation from our partner. In love marriage we will like you before that in college you used to do this and this and this, but now the love did not remain the same. But in arranged marriage we will
And in love,
like
in arranged marriage, these
we
things
will
also happen.
we will have less expectation will we have in arranged marriage.
and we can be happy in something means we'll have less expectations. So small things can also make us happy.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, I
I
agree.
agree with this point. And sometimes in arranged marriage, these things also happen. That I'm sleeping in here, you should go out of my room and you should sleep outside. These things also happens in arranged marriage.
This happens in TV serials.
Yeah, it happens in TV series. Yeah, maybe in real life, like one who has done arranged marriage, they are like, no, I will sleep on sofa. No, I will
I think
sleep on bed.
I think it happens.
how hard it will be for the girl to sleep with the guy like her father or mother has arranged.
Yeah, unknown. He must be unknown for us now. How to
Uncomfortable.
sleep with him?
But it is
No.
not that you will get married in 4 days. You will get time to know him also. Like
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
exactly.
some function,
I-
then some
But
function.
yeah, I think look in arranged you get less time to meet each other. Means your parents has arranged, you will arrange 1 or 2 meets with him. I think the meetings are less in arranged marriage. So in phone calls or in WhatsApp, you cannot judge a person that how is he. If you are just if you are meeting daily or in weekly, or if you are meeting someone, so I think you will get. I'm not disagreeing your point that you don't have any meet or you cannot really know the person in arranged marriage, but I think the meetings are less in arranged marriage, so it can be a drawback for us that we cannot just compare. Means we cannot just know all the things about him.
Yeah, I
Right.
understand your point.
It is even hard to know about your friends and
Yeah, it's hard to know
like
about your
it would be
friends.
tough to know about your opposite gender.
In first semester I was having many friends in my college, and now I am just having 2 or 3 friends from my college. means the good. In first year, I was having many friends. So we just in friends also these things happen. So how can we just say about our partners?
And talking about having friendship with boys, in that case, girls of Agri Fard is really very back. They are really very behind from everybody.
Yes.
Because
Yeah.
you know
We
we
don't
are
even have
students of
talked
YouTube.
once. Or we have talked only once or twice.
We talk for having fights, and usually we have
Yes.
fights.
Yes.
Yeah.
In WhatsApp group also we have fights only with them.
Yeah, and I am the CR of my class, so I used to scold the boys. So the fights also occur, and the mentality also become that no, he's like this, he's rude and all. So that is
Yeah, happens with Parky also. Like everyone used to
Yes.
blame Parky and sometimes Akanksha also.
yeah.
Like we are also involved. I'm confessing that, but no one used to judge us. Or always the people, students used to judge the topper, the one who is getting and one who is speaking.
Yeah, in my class
Sorry.
also they all blame me. So that is also the fact that I'm not having more friends in college. Although
I can understand your feeling.
But actually, I love having fights.
yeah, I also love
Me-
having fights.
Means I love having fights. Means having fights makes like being superior.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I don't love fights. I love arguing. Like sometimes fight makes me kind of
Exactly.
sensitive.
Mm-hmm.
In college also we were happy used to have debates and all, and our daily it was our daily routine that I used to fight some.
मुझे पता नहीं था, फिर मैंने टांग दी, मुझे पता नहीं था कि आपकी वो इधर टंगी थी शायद यहाँ पे. Okay,
Today's
so
topic was good. It ends in correct time.
okay, and what I believe, is it over now?
Yeah, it is over.
Yeah, it is over. So let's give a conclusion.
Yeah, and then
Let's go.
will also happen to today's we are having time.
Okay, so I want to conclude it by you can go for love marriage, but you should consider your parents before getting into a real marriage.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
parents' consideration is the most. They have only raised you, and you will go against them, so it won't be won't be good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we should
exactly.
just make our parents also that please just agree for that, and we should not do it without their permission and all. We should just
Yeah,
ask.
and people also need to gain their humanity back because in today's generation, people are not
Today's
that
generation,
much
why are
human.
being so innocent face?
Who
Shut
Vartika?
up.
Vartika is saying that in today's
So
generation,
this video is going to get uploaded on YouTube now. That's why she's making innocent face,
I thought
right,
I was
Vartika?
no, I was.
So that
I always
so
do
that
this.
in
so
my
that you
laptop,
can get a
2
I
megapixel
guess.
camera, my face is just coming very bad.
Today I'm feeling very sleepy because I slept for 15
And today I
minutes.
didn't sleep, so I am.
Then meeting time came, then I wake up.
Today I didn't sleep at afternoon, yaar. I'm really so tired. And
Same.
in this laptop camera, I am looking very bad.
Yeah, and laptop camera is not so good, na. Even mine, it's really very bad.
Yeah, it just
My laptop camera is good than
I'm
mobile camera.
blood and khati see.
Yeah, so the session was very nice. And if I talk about my conclusion, I would prefer obviously a love marriage rather than having a arranged marriage because in my family, everybody would get ready. If in that case only if I am stable and
Yeah.
if I'm having a position in my life and my career is up to mark, in that case only I would be allowed. Else obviously I'll get into arranged marriage, that is fixed, because if I'm not I won't be having anything, so I can't even ask my parents to get something for me, like or especially something like this means getting into love marriage. So I don't think that always arranged marriage have tragedies and all, but usually it happens in arranged marriages. So the higher chances are for getting into love marriage rather than arranged.
That's
Yeah,
it.
I'll also prefer love marriage. That the case is same with me also. That if I will settled, so my mother will just say, yeah, you can go with him. But if I'll be not settled, no, just shut your mouth and I will find a guy for you.
I'll tie wherever you have to be.
You have to
To
go,
get
yeah,
married.
because you have done something. We have raised you. I have just received
I'll
my
tie
money
you.
to
I'll tie you with any other dog.
my mother will say that I have just spent so much money for your graduation and you are doing nothing. You are just sitting home. So don't ever say a word to me and all. These things. Yeah.
And Akansha, what about you? What you'll do? Akansha is saying I'll become
I don't want to get married.
Really, Akansha?
You want to remain in.
Firstly, I want to do something in life.
Yeah,
Then I
that
will
is what the
marry.
point is.
Marriage
That's
is
the point. Yeah, that's the point that first we have to do something. We'll get settled then only.
It is only the thing that has bind all of us right now. Not getting
Yeah.
into any relationship and
Yeah.
all. Otherwise, it's not that difficult to get a guy and waste time with him.
Yeah.
What I personally believe, is that the girls of Agri Fard are really very good. Means they are having proper mindset, proper plans in these cases. Like
Yeah.
it's not like many of the girls are having means they are in relationship, but the maximum cases are of that they have good mindset and they all are single
Yeah,
just
and
because of
if we look the engineering college, the girls ratios are very less. So everyone can get a boy, means everyone can make a boyfriend. But no, we just want to focus our career. That's why we are just saying no, no, no to everyone
yeah.
like me. And now
One day
I
recently
used to reject everyone, means those who propose me, and I used to cry that why I want someone, what happens?
And
Okay, so I think
personally, let me speak. Personally, I think that मतलब I leave this on God, that God will find someone for me. Like I'll go for arranged marriage. Like sometimes I think that because I think it is hard to find love in this cruel world. So
Yeah.
like I'll leave it in God. He will do something
Yeah,
good.
these things also good.
Everything happens for
Hard to find
अच्छा
love, so we can just go
something
for
अच्छा will happen.
it. Okay. So any feedback?
you're talking about feedback. I love today's session, and I would like to add one point, especially for Neha. Like today's session was like group discussion. It was not like a debate. We all were very calm, and the way we all were speaking was agreeing each other's point, and we were listening each other's point, and it was a positive thing. And this thing we have learned in this session. So I think we are one step ahead, like a group name is. Thank you so much, Neha.
Thank you so much for today's session. It was very interesting. Games are also very interesting. The songs names
But
are very difficult though.
for today's session, I didn't get so much time to prepare that, so it was not up to mark. But yeah, I tried for making it good.
Yeah, Neha, the session was totally amazing. Like every day I used to मतलब कि every day होता नहीं है कि मतलब थोड़ा एक मतलब इतना ज्यादा enthusiasm नहीं होता है. But today when you introduce the game, go and find that photograph, go and find the mug. Like I used मतलब मैं पूरे घर में घूम. Like it was so much fun. Like it क्या बोलेंगे उसे exhorted me. I love that. And group discussion was also it was like a real group discussion.
Exactly.
Though it's the fact that we enjoy arguing. I can't deny that fact.
You have been enjoying.
Yeah, but today's session was like group discussion. It didn't take turn into a debate, right?
Yeah,
So I loved it.
was the thing.
Yeah.
And thank you for making my
And Prachal was missing.
Yeah, we missed Prachal a lot
well,
because she brings different top points and all. So I think just because of Prachal, today we all were quite calm.
yeah.
Otherwise,
She
she
would have
would do like
she
that.
would have been
wrong leading segment or point. Parthi and Neha, I oppose your point.
Yeah.
And I love it.
She always say that she will do arranged marriage. She would have given many points. I think.
Yeah, she must be having so much points on that.
Yeah, yeah.
She always
Actually,
say
we all were in means we all were preferring that love marriage. That's why we are not having much points. It was just like to have a discussion. We preferred arranged right now, but I don't think personally in present situation in 21st century any girl wants to get arranged marriage and then
Yeah.
cry after getting marriage.
Yeah.
So it's nice. I loved session. I think it's
Thank you
enough for.
thank you for so much good comments.
And you have noticed one thing. Today we started the session in Zoom, and like it was मतलब कि पहले interrupt हो जाते थे, but today the voice was clearly audible and interrupting was so much less.
and
And
today
and
we
our
were
video
able
were quite visible.
one point
Yeah,
more.
Quality was also
Today
good.
we are able to see the host also and the screen also.
Yeah,
In
yeah, yeah.
we are able to see only one thing. Like if I open my full
Yeah,
screen,
it was like that. I was seeing
Yeah.
Yeah, in
You swipe, you see
Google,
everybody.
if we share the screen in just Zoom, yeah, I am getting to see all the faces inside of my screen. But in Google Meet, if I used to share any screen, so only that screen is visible to me.
it look like we are alone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
While sharing.
yeah.
Just take a. Have you taken picture, Neha?
Wait, I'm just taking a screenshot also. I've taken
Let me also take this
screenshots and now I will take some picture from my phone also. I will take one more screenshot, so please make good. I'll just send it to you all.
Please upload that on YouTube. I think it should be uploaded.
Okay.
Today's session was completed in just 1 hour. It was so
Yeah.
good.
It's so good that we just respect the time period also.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Neha, just say that recording and please upload it on that site or that YouTube.